Hey guys, it's Nate with Indianapolis Pinball, back with a quick repair video. A friend of ours brought this PPB board out of a Star Wars Data East Star Wars machine. Having some issues, believed to be caused by some loose fuse clips, which is pretty notorious for Data East games to have these fuse clips loose. And you can kind of see F4 there. It's kind of loose. And so we're going to replace those fuse clips. But the other thing that I noticed was around these header pins, a lot of really cracked solder joints. So we're going to go through and we're going to reflow silver solder on all these header pins, and we're probably going to just replace this set because they look a little crappy. So we'll just replace these, and that should take care of his problem, I'm assuming. I'm going to just reflow some solder here, pretty much on every one of these header pins. Even on the ones that I'm going to be removing, I'm going to add some fresh solder like so to each of these header pins. So I can get this to slide over. Wait. Well, so you can kind of get it there. The solder station that I'm using is a Hakko FX888D. It's about $100 and worth every penny. Let's see if I can get this better for you. It's a little tricky to get this on camera. And that pin actually is not attached to anything, so no big deal there, but these other ones definitely had some crack solder. Let's reflow those on there. And nice. So we've reflowed solder now throughout the whole board on all the header pins, and they look much better. We've also flowed solder on all the fuse clips, and now we're ready to start the process of removing the bad pins. Okay, so I've been using my Hakko FR301 desoldering gun, and that retails for about $300, but it is worth every penny. Every penny. Alright, so we've got our header pins out and our bad fuse clips out of the F6 and the F4 fuse clips. All the other ones actually were really tight, so I'm just going to leave those. But we'll be replacing the header pins here. And my work with the desoldering gun is finished. Okay, so new header pins are on, new fuse clipses. New fuse clips are in. New fuse clipses. That's what we do here at Indie Pinball. We give you new fuse clipses. But yeah, this board's ready to go. Anyway, this board, if you were to replace it and swap it out, would cost you about $125. And this was about a $30 repair. So not too shabby. Thanks for watching.